Welcome to another Simple Dad tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Dall E Mini AI machine. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can let me know if this video is helpful or not. You can do this by hitting the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. So Dall E Mini is an artificial intelligence program that creates images from text description you provide. So let me show you how to use Dall E Mini. On your phone, PC or Mac, open up your web browser. Now visit the link which I've pasted in the description of this video. Once the page loads up, you have the prompt to enter in some text. So go ahead and enter in some text. This can be anything random. Once you've entered in the text, tap on Run. The AI will start creating an image from your text you supplied. If you see an error message saying too much traffic, just press OK and try again. You will eventually get a chance to run your prompt. Do note it will take some time, so as you can see from my recording, I have speeded it up so you guys can see the end result quicker. If you're not happy with the result, go ahead and retype your prompt and run it again. Once you're happy with it, go ahead and take a screenshot and then share it on your social media accounts. And that is how to use Dall E Mini. If this video gave you any value, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.